At the heart of most culinary traditions lies meat cookery. Meat can be tender and juicy or dry and tough depending on how it is cooked. What primarily determines the cooking method for a given cut of meat is the amount of collagen it contains. Muscle tissue contains cells responsible for muscle contraction as well as connective tissue that encases these cells, attaching them to one another and to the skeleton, allowing for movement. Of this connective tissue, the most important to understand in a culinary setting is collagen. Collagen can be found surrounding individual bundles of contractile cells. These bundles are then collected into larger aggregates, which are also surrounded by a sheath of collagen. Finally, several of these large aggregates are gathered into individual muscles, also encased in a collagen sheath. Collagen makes up tendons and ligaments, and skin is also very rich in collagen. Collagen is a fiber made of many individual units called tropocollagen, attached side by side and end to end, like individual fibers make up a rope. Each tropocollagen is made of 3 separate gelatin proteins woven together into a spiral arrangement. Collagen is a very strong molecule, and tissues that do a lot of work or support a lot of weight have more collagen than tissues that do not. When collagen is heated, each tropocollagen unit contracts and shortens, which in turn shortens the entire collagen strand. This contraction of collagen squeezes the muscle cell it surrounds, forcing moisture out of the cell like squeezing a wet sponge. When meat buckles or bends as it is cooked, it is because of the shortening of the collagen fibers surrounding the muscle cells, which changes the shape of the meat. Upon further heating in the presence of water, the tropocollagen begins to unwind and gelatin dissolves into juices from the meat or into the cooking liquid. The body of broths and stocks comes from the gelatin that was originally collagen in the meat or bones used. The speed at which collagen is converted to gelatin depends on the cooking temperature and the age or species of the animal. Higher temperature speeds the conversion. Collagen from older animals takes longer to convert at a given temperature because the gelatin molecules are more cross-linked to one another. Fish collagen, due to the cold environment in which they live, unwinds and dissolves at a much lower temperature, thus leading to short cooking times for fish and for fish stock. Long, slow cooking tenderizes the meat product because the collagen is physically broken down. The resulting meat is tender and easy to pull apart. That is what is happening in braises and barbecue. While braises seem juicy when eaten, most of the juice has already been squeezed out of the meat during cooking. The perceived juiciness is from gelatin formed during cooking, which lubricates the mouth and gives the perception of juiciness. Meats with a lot of collagen will get tough when cooked high and fast, as there is not time to break down the collagen before the meat gets overcooked and dry. These cuts are better suited to braising. Low collagen cuts will get stringy and dry when braised because they do not generate enough gelatin to provide the perception of juiciness. By understanding where and how much collagen is found in a piece of meat, as well as how collagen responds to different cooking methods, a chef can make an informed choice to best treat a particular cut of meat to make it delicious for the diner.